If you have a table of information in a document and it changes regularly, or it needs to be the same table is in several documents and you need to change them all at once, you can create a Google Sheet like this and create your table. And then you can select the range or select the cells that you want to copy. Then in your Google Sheet, paste your table and link to the spreadsheet. And now, if you ever have to change something, it can be easily updated. So the Google Doc will show that there's an update and it needs to be refreshed. So someone will need to go in and click this to update it. But once you do, all your information is updated and kept up to date. I recommend that over here you keep a list of documents where you have this table linked. That way you can just keep track of everything and keep everything neat. If you have any questions, let me know.